into the final game, and here we are. Let's get up to date in this match between Dick Hoover of Cleveland, Ohio, Lee Juglard from the city of Detroit, as these boys battle it out in the 100th game, the final game. Who will be the king of 1950? And there's young Dick Hoover. Celebrated his 21st birthday here Friday as a finalist, the youngest man to ever compete as a finalist. And he really throws a speedball. Here he goes to the line. He looks good. He's in and he carries. Dick Hoover starting off with a beautiful strike. Now the lead is simply this. Lee Juglard leads by 18 pins. So the winner of this game, ladies and gentlemen, will be the king of bowling in 1950. And here's Lee Juglard, 30 years old, from the Motor City of Detroit. Juglard looks good. He's in and he carries. Hey, look at this. Ah, you said it. Pabst Blue Ribbon, the finest beer served anywhere. How about a big, cool, foaming glass right now? Lee Juglard stepping up here now. Here's a big one. He'd like to get away with a good start. He has the first one. The totals: Hoover 630 for the first three, Juglard for 656. Juglard ready. He throws. He looks good. He's in, but he doesn't carry. The 8-10 split is up there. The 10 refuses to go down, and that's an open frame for Lee Juglard. Well, last year in this very same spot, Lee Juglard teed off in position round with Junie McMahon in second position, and McMahon won 3 games and pushed Juglard down into third place. And